We're working daily to get you guys' posters out. We just ordered all of these poster tubes. There's so many of them. Daily dose of some vitamin C, some vitamin D. Keep up on your vitamins, kids. Today we are driving the Ricermiata. She's getting some big upgrades this week, and I cannot freaking wait. Let's go. Only reason why I'm gonna miss living here. You ready? Oh God, it's so hard to do with one hand. Oh yeah, frame banging. Yeah, I think it's pretty official right now. I am moving. That's all we're saying for now because it is a little ways away, but I can't wait. This is so ridiculous that I can do this. Look at this. Why I'm driving, right? Just, what the? This is so ridiculous. Let's shut the freaking car off, yeah. Jump. Oh, I just touched the mask. Dang it. Got to the shop, right? Look at this guy. What are you doing, dude? Fishing. How many fish you caught? Shut up. Swear to God. Swear to God. I'm pissed. Correction, he didn't catch any. He's just trolling me. Right as I paused the camera, he said, just kidding. He caught none, so we're still 2-2. I made sure to run my Miata bone dry to put some 93 in it because she's getting a little bit of an upgrade today. Drink it all up, baby. You deserve it. All of these parts in this box are gonna make the Ricermiata everything she ever wanted to be. A nice, reliable turbo Miata. Let's get to the shop. I have been gone for like at least an hour. If this dude's still fishing, I'm gonna lose it. I don't see him. I didn't see him at the shop though. This dude's somewhere fishing. He's so addicted. I love it when I get big boxes. Oh, almost there. Woo! Here we go! So, here we have a whole China charger kit. I'm very excited. Coupler, 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 coupler. Coupler. Oh. Intercooler piping. A downpipe. More intercooler piping. More of the downpipe. Junk. And now, the moment everyone has been waiting for. Made to play. The China charger. Yo. Here it is. The crappiest turbo on the market, boys. Woo! You grab that bag, sir? I got you. It's pretty heavy, sir. It's dropping, sir. All right, guys, so here we have a CX Racing kit. Now, the reason why I got this was because my last turbo Miata was the Roadster. It is now an SR20 Beast, but we turboed my car in 4 hours. And this kit, I mean, this is actually an upgraded kit from CX Racing. They didn't make this when I actually bought their last kit. But in the CX Racing kit, every single thing just works. It was really easy to put together and it was super fast. So I got this because we could put this together, we could throw it together, and it's gonna work for now. This turbo, it's definitely gonna blow up. We're definitely gonna have to be replacing it. But the Garrett turbos that I was looking at, they were like anywhere from $1,500 to $2,000, and I was like, do I want to just buy a turbo for this much, or do I just want to buy a whole kit, get it started, and then when we do pop this later down the road, all we have to do is get the same flange and the V-band set up in the back, and we can just run all the CX Racing stuff, because like the new manifolds, they're sick. I'll show you in a second. I mean, the intercooler is just an intercooler. It's not a big deal. Intercooler piping, it works. It's great. Blow-off valve we're not going to be using, because if you want to grab that Greddy over there, is it still over there? Ooh. So actually, this is cool. So this is the real Greddy blow-off valve. And we have a China charge blow-off valve right here that looks to be knocked off, huh? Tell me this is not the same blow-off valve, dude. Tell me. This is literally just a copy. China?
Japan.
Japan.
China. Japan. China. Japan.
That's it, man.
Japan, China.
So we're going to be throwing that over there. Because imagine if I do the Greddy on accident. We don't care about that China charge blow-off valve. So we're going to be using the Greddy. And just upgrading parts as we go, because as you guys know, Sam's here, so things break. The drift car Clutch was blown, just had to spend $900 on a clutch. We're fully building the Ricermiata engine. That was about $1,000. I mean, this kit alone, I think it was like $1,500 to $1,800. I don't even remember. We're trying to do a lot of things, so I'm trying to budget some stuff, and I thought this was gonna be the perfect kit for now. I mean, what do you think?
Yeah, I think you're right.
I think it's great.
Say, like, this kit's really good because it comes with pretty much everything you need, and like you said, if you have any turbo problems, you just upgrade.
Yeah, literally. And I'm gonna actually open the turbo manifold right now because they did some serious upgrading. Because I won't lie, the first turbo manifold that they came out with was absolute garbage. It would always crack. I had mine welded a few times and it would just never hold up. So I think, honestly, that's the reason why they came out with the V2, just because it was a poor design. But this thing is an equal length monster. You want to open that one more time?
Yeah, I got you.
It actually looks pretty professional. And for a kit that you're only going to pay like $1,500 for, like, you definitely can't go wrong. Look at this beast, dude. Look at this freaking beast. I'm pretty pumped on it. I mean, obviously it's not perfect, but it's definitely going to do the job.
Like, it's all 3 mil thick.
Yeah.
It's all been TIG welded.
It's good.
Looks really good.
I mean, this is more than enough for the Ricermiata for me. Like, I was on Fab 9 and stuff, and literally, like, to do a legit turbo kit how I wanted, it was gonna be more than $5,000, and I just don't have $5,000 to spend right now, but I wanted to start the Ricermiata project as soon as possible, and this is gonna make power. Just off not forging the engine and running the CX Racing kit, I know we're gonna see over 200, and I'm gonna show you what a Miata with 200 horsepower can do at the compound, because we are gonna slay this thing. So I'm really excited. I mean, I made a mess doing all those little jump cuts and everything, but I am super stoked. Hopefully you guys are stoked as well. I really hope you guys are stoked on this. We are going to be starting this ASAP. The only thing that I'm waiting for is a clutch, and it's going to be here tomorrow. I ordered a 6-puck ACT clutch, which I think it's good up to 300 horsepower, which is more than enough for now. So pretty stoked. But Sam over here, he wants to go fishing.
Oh, hell yeah, I did.
He already caught one fish today. I haven't, so we got to catch up. And I need to catch a fish. I need to take a fish off the hook today, because I just feel like a bitch, dude. I really do.
Well, I mean, it makes sense. You never had a dad to do all that kind of stuff.
Me and my dad never went fishing together. I've only been fishing like maybe 6 times in my life.
Haven't they all been with me?
Well, minus the times I've been with you, probably like 5 times, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, so I really haven't been. I'm not that bad, because we're pretty tight, and you went fishing with your daddy a lot when you were younger. Yeah.
Sea fishing, though, which is a whole different story. Freshwater stuff's way harder.
Is it harder?
Yeah.
We got to go ocean fishing before you leave.
Yeah, we need to do some deep sea fishing.
Yeah, that would be honestly, I'd probably cry if I caught something like that.
It's insane. Like, they sometimes give you the belts that the rod sticks into. The reels are like this big, and literally when you catch a fish, the rod's like this thick, right?
Okay.
And it's bending down and like pulling you up over the edge.
You've done that?
Yeah.
That is terrifying.
I caught, like, you know those really big fish that suck on the side of whales and stuff?
Stop, dude. I'm honestly getting goosebumps just thinking about that.
It's so much fun.
But actually, Cam invited us to go ocean fishing together, so I think we're gonna take him up on that offer. I'm just waiting for him to get a day off and everything. But Cam vlogs coming soon. I just got one, but I think he was too small. Oh, fuck, dude. I got a lot of biters over here. Got it. Damn it. Dude, back up. This is my spot. Don't you dare cast out.
What fish are you talking about?
I'll show you when they fucking come.
Alright, show me.
This is my spot. I want to catch the little guys.
Alright, you catch the little guys. Don't hook me then. Nice carp feed. Whoa! Woo!
So we caught a fish in your spot. Does that actually count, or does that count as yours?
It's kind of horse shit.
Yeah! Number 2 for today! A nice little bass. This isn't even a 1 pounder, but it'll...
Who's got the tool?
I don't need a tool.
I love how it's my spot.
Yeah. He found it.
He takes my...
Kicked you out of it. I think that's kind of like the guy that did to America, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hey Chris, number 2 for today. How many you got?
That's my spot. You kicked me out of it.
There ain't nothing near me.
What's up, mate? Don't mind me. Just casting.
Yeah, go for it. We got him. Woo!
I hate you so much.
Yeah!
I literally hate you.
Yo, this one's a good little guy too. Hell yeah, Joe. This one's at least like a 1.5. No, nearly 2. Yo, that's a nice little one.
Shut up.
Look at this guy.
Oh, I got one too. Fuck.
Dude, nice.
Oh no!
Did it just fall off?
I'm pissed.
All right.
Damn it!
Back in. We want this guy to grow up big and strong too.
I'm pissed,
All right,
dude.
look,
You want
he
another
kicked
hook?
off hard.
You want another hook?
You just sit it in front of where I just let him go.
Dang, dude.
Dude, that was
Mine
good.
counts.
Huh?
Mine counts.
No, it doesn't.
Why
You
does
didn't-
that not count?
That was not a catch. You never had it in your hands, and you never had it on the shore.
Oh my.
That's all part of it, man. You've got to get one.
Yeah, shut up.
They're biting right now, though. That's for sure. How many fish have I got now? 4?
Yep. I'm stuck on this fucking plant.
It's okay, dude. Just walk backwards. Walk straight. So today I've got 4 fish, and Chris has 0.
All right. At this point, if I get one, I'll be happy.
Dude, there's plenty. Whoa, dude.
Oh, sorry, dude. Didn't see you there.
There's plenty of fish here, man. You'll get one. Just be nice and slow, calm and patient. No way. Oh! Ah! Yeah!
Are you kidding me?
No way!
Are you kidding me right now? You gotta be freaking kidding
Oh
me.
man, they're biting like crazy.
You have to
How are
be
you
freaking
missing
kidding
out
me.
right now, Chris?
You have
Wow,
got
this
to
guy's
be kidding
a
me.
feisty. Come on. Hey, do you wanna look at this?
Get out of here. Get out of my face.
5 and 0, bro. All right, let's let this fish back.
You're so happy.
Oh, I'm so happy. What am I at now? 5?
Okay. Yeah, I lost count.
Oh, I'm loving this right now. Oh, so good.
Fucking asshole. Crocky, I got a big one. Oh my God, look at the size of that leaf. One of a kind. Fishing sucks for me today. All right, boys, it's gotta be one soon. Been doing this for half an hour. Come on, baby. Yeah! Finally! All right. So I can touch the mouth. Oh!
Grab it by the bottom lip.
It's hooked by the bottom lip.
Dan, can you just teach him where to put his fingers?
Hold on, I'm gonna do this. I gotta prove myself worthy. Dude, it's like hooked in his mouth,
Yeah, you
man.
put your thumb right through there. Yep.
Like right there. Oh, come on, buddy. I'm really sorry this is happening to you. Wow, look at that! Look at this, dude!
Good job, dude. Your first fish today.
You don't think he's gonna bite me when I put him in the water, right?
No, because you've got his lip.
Woo! Dude, didn't have a daddy, all right? You cut it out. All right, time to fish again. Dang, that wasn't that bad. You could touch them. Look, man, baby steps. 1 to 5. Man, what an adrenaline rush. Catching a fucking half a pounder.
Wow, make it 2 for 2.
It's actually really easy to take the hook out, huh?
Yeah. You use the pliers or just use
I just used my bare claw, dude. I said I was just gonna catch one and be done, but now that I caught one, like I just want to keep going now. All right, boys, I got a warm feeling inside. Here it is. That's my warm feeling. Oh wait, that's a snag. That was a snag. False alarm. God damn it, dude. I'm so sick of catching these cock bags. All right, we're going to the lake. Fuck it, one more cast. What was that? Is it a party? Fish party? Or is it just little dicks?
I don't know where they went.
Is this tangled? Nope. All right. That was my boy over there. Yeah. Come on, boy. Just give me it. I promise I'll get the hook out easy this time. I'm a new man. I'm a changed man. No. Tell me I got the fucking leaf. Oh my God. All right, let's go to the lake. I'm over it. I'm done. Fuck you. Lions and tigers and bears, oh my. Hey! We found a lake.
There's like a flipped boat there, canoe.
Yo, go get it.
It's right there, we just gotta flip it, I think.
It's gonna be hard to cast out.
That's for sure.
Ugh.
A little bit of a log here to stand on.
Guys, I just had 2, and they both let go on me. Dang, I'm really upset. I really wanted the first catch in this lake. Yeah, look at my worm, dude. Dude ate half of it. This spot's really hard for newbies because there's trees right on top of us.
I was worried about you cooking me.
Okay, that kind of works. I'll run with it for a little bit.
Mosquitoes here are not gonna be nice.
No. West Nile, dude. I hope I catch a fish. It's gonna go up in the tree.
Oh no, it'll pull out by then. Reel it faster, like really fast. Yeah. There you go.
Oh, we caught a fishing pole.
You need to check that they're tight from time to time.
Oh my god, dude, I just cast it out. My whole fishing pole went with it. Good old Walmart. Save money. Bye, John. All right, so not the best fishing ever tonight, but that's okay because at least we learned to actually touch the fish and take the hook off. Fuck you, Sam. Yeah. But anyways, guys, before we end this video, I just opened up the intercooler and I absolutely hate the aluminum look. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna brake clean the whole thing. And I don't think you need to sand this. I'm just gonna cake it with some black just because I want it to be a sleek look. And I like I said, I really just don't like the aluminum finish. So let's brake clean this thing away. Rod Knox Ghetto Paint Shop coming at you. Here we go. Just coat her nice and black. It's just gonna look so much better. Doesn't have to be perfect, just black, that's it. Oh yeah, she's already looking so much better. Look at that. I hope it sticks. Everyone told me to just brake clean it and it'll stick, so. If not, I blame Sam. Thing looks brand new. I'm pretty pumped on it, honestly. It looks so much better than that disgusting silver. Heck yeah, super pumped on this actually. All right guys, so not much work got done today, but that's okay because tomorrow the ACT clutch comes in and tomorrow we're also gonna be dynoing the Ricermiata just to get a nice baseline because Sam, if you watch his video, his Miata is 1.6 made 100 horsepower. So if my 1.8 makes a little less than that, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna be a little salty, but we're gonna find that out in tomorrow's video. Dang, I have to raise it and everything. We're gonna put the new clutch in so we can get ready to turbo the car because I don't wanna waste any time. I wanna put that clutch in and I wanna instantly start unbolting stuff to turbo the car. We have every single thing we need, including a 1.8 Mega Squirt that's in my truck, but every turbo piece we need is right here. So all we have to do is take the transmission out, pop a new clutch in, and then start to turbo it, and then we're gonna be done. So if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely leave a thumbs up. If you guys wanna subscribe for more, subscribe for more. I cannot wait to drift a turbo Miata again, especially the Ricermiata. I can't wait to go to the compound and see how hard we can slay that thing. I'm just so excited. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.